Surprise eggs? What's inside? Red egg, shake with me. What is hiding? 1, 2, 3. A fire truck. Look at that. Red, the truck is red. Yellow egg, shake, shake, shake. What surprise will we make? 1, 2, 3. Pop! A little duck says, quack, quack, quack. Yellow, waddling back. Shake it, what's inside? Colors, what a surprise. Red and yellow, bright and fun. Let's find every single one. Shake, 1, 2, 3. Pop! Come learn colors with me. Blue egg, shake with me. What is hiding? 1, 2, 3. A little train goes choo choo choo. Blue, the train is blue. Green egg, shake around. What is making that funny sound? 1, 2, 3. Pop! A little frog jumps up so high. Green, hop to the sky. Orange egg, shake with me. What is hiding? 1, 2, 3. An orange ball goes bounce, bounce, bounce. Orange, all around. Purple egg, shake just right. What is hiding inside tonight? 1, 2, 3. Pop! A butterfly flutters through the air. Purple, flying everywhere. Shake it, what's inside? Colors, what a surprise. Red, yellow, blue and green. Orange, purple, colors we've seen. Fire truck, duck and choo-choo train. Frog jumps up and down again. Orange ball and butterfly. So many colors passing by. Shake, 1, 2, 3. Pop! We learned colors, you and me.